My name's Luke Scott.
My name is Richard Ferris, and this is the Welding Technology program. Students will learn basically about 5 different welding processes. You've got stick welding. We teach 3 types of wire. We do pipe welding, and then we also do TIG welding. The largest course topics in this program will be the stick welding portion of the process. They just learn how to weld in all different positions with different welding rods. We start them off with the flat position, which is the easiest, and they progress to horizontal, then vertical, and then overhead.
I chose welding program because my older brother came here also his junior and senior year, and he got certified and has been welding, pipeline welding, since he graduated. And so I look up to him and the things that he does, and so I came here because of him. So.
Our student organization is Skills USA, and within Skills USA they can compete in district and state and even national welding competitions as long as they're a paid up member, which they all are because our school pays for their membership. They can compete in any of the Skills USA activities, and there's not just welding, there's also leadership contests they can get involved in as well.
My favorite part about attending CV Tech is coming here every day and being able to weld and to be able to get better and learn a little bit more each day about welding.
There's always going to be a need for welders, whether it's around here in Oklahoma or somewhere else. And I try to tell them that the more experience they can get and the better they can get at all these different processes, the more employable they're going to be in the future. There's different aspects of the welding field they can go into, even if they don't go into welding itself. They can be inspectors, they can be quality control technicians, they can work for a vendor that sells welding supplies, but ideally we like for them to go into a role as a welder somewhere.
The students that are coming in, I would probably just tell them, if you come in here, it's to do work, not to come in here and just mess around, and it's to prepare you for once you graduate and get out in life to stay busy.